Put your hand out. It'll give you a kiss. It's soft. It's got a soft beak. It has. Put your hand out. Come back to it.
I'll sit down and see.
You sit down here. It'll be. You see, it's just a nibble.
Come here.
Go on. Just let it kiss you. Go on. It wants to kiss you on the hand. Just put.
Get Riley to do it first.
You do it. Come on, Aim, and they'll get a photo.
Riley, just do it. How do you do it? I'm not doing it. Why? Because I'm not doing it.
Oh, there it is. What are you doing up there?
Just put your hand out. It'll just give it a bit of a. It's getting sick of waiting for you. Yes, it will. Go on. Stay there. It'll come back. There you go. Here it comes. He's sticking his head in the water. He's drowning himself rather than kiss your hand. Oh, go away. Go away. There you go. Oh no, he'd rather drown himself than give you a kiss. There you go. He's back again. Oh no, he's not. That'd be alright with potatoes and pumpkin, wouldn't it? There you go. He's washed his face now. Go on. Oh, he's trying. Quick.
Amy, just got that boom going around the neck.
Oh,